Alright, we're back with a brand new edition. So obviously that's the passenger side fender. We're gonna go in here. Starter's still loose from a while back. And I don't know. I just don't know what I'm doing. There's a let me take you down, show you this real quick. There's a metal box somewhere, or not a metal box. Wait, I think it's that. That's where that arm bracket bolts to the back of the starter and bolts to that, but it's too short. It won't fit right. This part bolts to the back of the starter. I can barely fit my fat belly through there. Ain't much room. So it bolts like that, and it bolts to the back of the starter. Well, I need to do a lot of stuff. Tell you what I need to do is find somebody to do this stuff for me. Tired of working on my own junk. Let's get up on a feet here. There's where the starter bolts go. And yeah, if you look at this here, it don't look like it's flat. It looks like it leans this way. So when I tighten the starter up, it wants to. Let's see if we can set you guys down for a second somewhere. See what we can get going on there. Okay. Oh man, this wire out of the way. So, come on. Where you go? Cut off something. You guys went. Hang on a second, I'll pick you up. There we go. Spun you around the wrong way, too. Alright. Well, let's see if I can't get you pinched back up in there. Yeah, I can get you that way. Yeah, come on. Balancing act. So when I get this starter, when I get that starter, right there's where it should be, but when I tighten it, it wants to go like that. And it wants to push up in the back. And there's where she should be about sitting, about like that. You can tell they've ground down because look at I've got a shim. I have to shim it, but if I get a bolt through that hole, let me get you. You gotta turn around here. Let me see if I can find you. Find where I'm at. There we go. Oh, so if I can get a bolt, drill a hole all the way straight up through there. I know it probably ain't supposed to look like that way, but drill a hole straight all the way through that. Stick me a bolt so we can hold that starter in place for me loosely, because nothing I can do to get this thing to, to kind of sit the way it's supposed to, man, to get this back up, lined up where I can see what I'm doing. So, I bought a brand new bracket for that thing. I think it's on there, but it don't fit either. So I'm gonna have to make one. Let me get you guys set up. I'm back up on here. You guys are probably dizzy by now with all the rolling around. man, I just don't have room and stuff. Yeah, there's that bracket. So the bracket don't reach. It's too short. I don't know if since this is a new starter, I don't know if like the old starters were taller back then and they went to a smaller one. I had it on a forklift the other day where dang thing went. Starter's real big, the original one. Put my hands on, there we go. And the starter's real big, and then when I put the new starter on, it was a whole lot skinnier. So I don't know if that was what it is. See, there's that bracket, and here's the one that come off of it. That one looks a little bit longer, but it just, I don't know. So I don't know. Somebody put in the comments, man, tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I just don't know. Just don't know. This is what I get. I get out here and I want to work on it. Oh, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. And then guess what? I get to this point and I don't want to do it. So I don't know. Get you guys get a jack stand here. We'll see if I can't get a jack stand to hold that starter up in somewhere where it's close. So I can see. Oh, I know that ain't gonna be tall enough. Nowhere near tall enough. Makes me want to just quit everything I do. Frustrates me. So much soccer glue. Man. Be glad when winter's over, man. Maybe I'll get out and be able to do some fishing, lose some of this winter fat. I don't know what I can do to this dang thing to hold up in place. Ain't nothing I do lets it go into place. Tarnations of that. That can't be there like that. What's going on? Well, if this ain't crock a load of bull. Ooh, it's close in there, but it's not nowhere near. Yeah, see, I can't get my arms to work. See, right there's where she's gotta be. Oh, where's that bowl hole? Oh, yeah. Man. Well, I'm gonna look at this a little while. We're gonna see what man, that brake don't sound real good. got good shoes on it. Well, when I find a remedy for this whole mess, I'll probably bring you back and we'll see what we get going on. If you look, man, these people put. Let's see if I can see them. Can we see them in there? Put new glow plugs in it too. Brand new glow plugs, brand new fuel tank, brand new fuel lines, except for that one that was clogged with rust, why it wouldn't run. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and scratch my head a little bit. I need to call in reinforcements. And yeah, that ain't gonna do no good, because it ain't gonna do nothing getting away. So yeah, guess I'm gonna get the drill out, just drill that hole and get a bolt, shove a bolt all the way through there, and then I can tighten it up how I want to. And then I need to get that thing flat. But if I can get that bracket, get a bracket on there, bolt it up, and get that bolt in there just to kind of loosely hold it, then I'll be able to know what shims I need to stick in there, and maybe like shim that block a little bit, or sand that, or I'm gonna say grind that block where that starter sits, because I know that thing's crooked. I can tell. They ground on it to get to the bolts. They didn't think they was grinding it flat or whatever. They were grinding it. I don't think they knew what they were doing, obviously, because you gotta stay flat. And then yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure something out.